Hello guys, in this tutorial I will model a Y-shape exhaust manifold using sweep along spline and Xnurbs to create the exhaust shape. This is a simple exercise in Plasticity 3D. Enjoy the video guys and take care. Hi folks, I would like to take this opportunity to promote my new Plasticity 3D course, How to Model the MX Master Mouse. The course is over 200 minutes of quality professional content. The objective of the course is to become efficient in surface modeling using Xnurbs. You will also learn how to create a spline network over scan data, how to use curves in Plasticity 3D, rebuild and simplify curves for clean surface modeling. Bridge vertex and bridge curve are also covered. Learn the power and speed of Xnurbs to create clean, smooth surfaces. Add details using Boolean operations, imprint and project curve are also used in this course. Basic knowledge of Plasticity 3D, such as navigation and keyboard shortcuts, are needed to complete the course. I have included the final MX Master model. This will help in the process of learning how to surface in Plasticity 3D. Link is in the description, guys. Thanks for watching and take care.